Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, bonus comment on that A natural at the end, making the last chord be an F major chord is called a Picardy third. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.